Hi, today I'm going to ask you an interesting question. I am almost ready to launch our podcast called Stories with Food, but yesterday we defined the word health and what it meant to us. So, us is me and my co author, Dr. Doug Richards, who's in his 60s and is a retired physician and has a lot of life story. And it was really fun defining it. And one of the questions that came up, and I'm going to ask you that you can ponder, is what is your earliest memory of health? What comes up for you when I say that? Where are you at? Who are you with? What did you just feel like? And dance around with that a little bit, because your definition of health there is probably different than where you want to be, potentially. And it can potentially create some awareness and understanding of maybe why you're stuck, if you're stuck, because those early exposures, those early experiences of health matters. And it can help you understand that where you've been is definitely guiding where you want to go if you're not aware of it. And so what baggage, what are you carrying around on your back in your health that you don't want to anymore? So what can kickstart that conversation is, what's your earliest memory? What's your earliest memory of health? And reflect on that, journal about it, think about it. And maybe that can create some awareness, understanding, or conversation in your community or in your mentorship or your support group. I hope that helps.